All right, good afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock, 5:30, April 27th. It is Tuesday. I'm excited. I'm on this cool desk right now, and I just got my last piece, and that was the file cabinet. That's right here. It's replacing the big old honker that I used to have, and this one's just minimizing everything. But yeah, it is April 27th, 2021. It is vlog 81. And I'm excited, but I'm kind of tired right now. I was pretty busy today, but I will recap for what I did yesterday. But before that, I think I did it earlier tuning, but I need an afternoon tuning. Yes. Yes. I think I needed that. But yeah, today, actually I had to bring the car in again today, but let me recap yesterday and we'll look at today's weather. How's that? Let's do that. These last few days I've been discombobulated because I've been doing the desk, so it's been taking a lot of time just to get, well, not a lot of time. I got this all down. It's so cool. I just love it. But yeah, I'm just doing like the little tweaks, moving stuff here and there, making sure I got everything. I'm sure everything's gonna change. I just got my lights today for the under the desk, so it'll be lit up. But I don't feel like doing it today. But yeah, here we go. Boom. Wow. What? No. We're not Cupertino. What the heck is this? Long Beach. I was like, what? That was crazy. All right, let's check it out. 63 and sunny right now. I think we're at our, oh no, it got to 66. So yeah. Yeah, and I think it's heating up. Interesting. That's gonna be cool, actually. I'm excited. Nice days to come, because we are busy. Yesterday, let's see. I think I did the vlog late. Gosh, I didn't even remember anything. Yeah, yesterday I was busy. Woke up to take the car to the shop again. There was a noise, but when I got to Lamb, I could not recreate the noise. I think I was talking about this yesterday. Went to what else did I do? Oh, I went to the vet, couldn't recreate the noise, so I just took the car. Went to the vet because I have an appointment actually tomorrow, early in the morning, for a physical, and I'm gonna get checked out. But I had to do my blood work, so I went to the vets yesterday, or the Veterans Hospital, Long Beach Vet. I heard it was the number one. I heard the other day it was the number one veterans hospital in the country. It's kind of cool, and it is really nice, and they're doing upgrades, so awesome. Let's see. Carrie went to DI to handle a rental customer after I came back, and then said the car was acting up again, so that's why I took it in this morning. And actually this morning it was already making the noise, so yeah, Lamb has it and he's checking it out. Yesterday was just non-stop. I had to work on edits, song sheets, also worked on moving files. I'm still moving files from one computer to the other, and actually one of my hard drives, I can still get the information, but it's not writing to it, so I don't know what's wrong with it, so I might have to get a new hard drive. So we'll see about that. So I'm just trying to save information. I have some extra drives, but I just gotta I'm not even done with this desk yet, so I need to make sure that I got that, and then I can start moving files. And yeah, a lot of stuff going on. Then Brandon came over, and Carrie and him were working on the new website for our new business, which is cool. So yeah, that was last night or yesterday. It was pretty crazy. I'm gonna probably just do a short one today and reconvene tomorrow because I'm pretty tired. Because today was actually kind of a day like yesterday. So, but it's amazing. Hopefully you guys liked the vlog yesterday with the desk. I was doing that edit and I was just like, wow, this is cool. And was it today or yesterday? Keen Ramps had their video for the hand plant thing, and Dan, you did an awesome job. Thank you. And it was a cool video. Actually, I was in it, but it was cool. I didn't realize how many slams I took, and people were like, whoa, they're commenting. I was like, oh. It's kind of hilarious because, you know, like Carrie was like, wow, you took a lot of slams. Like people were saying that, and I was just like, well, I don't know. I've just been skateboarding for a long time, and that's the process, and I guess you could just get used to it. I don't know. I do stretch a lot. I think flexibility is absolutely key if you're doing skateboarding tricks and stuff. Like you got to stay loose, and like if you do fall, if you're more flexible, it doesn't hurt as bad, I guess. I was hurting, but it was my hip because I was hitting my hip, and that was fine. After that, I took a couple days. I think I did take an Advil. And just nice shower and just stretch. Stretching actually, for me, has been the key. I think it just stems from gymnastics. Like when I was in high school and I had gymnastics, and being flexible. Like I don't like my muscles being tight. I'm like tighter than I used to be, but I always stretch. So my legs, my back, you know, all that stuff, and that's every day. I don't stop. So there you go again, every day. Keep on strumming ukulele. But yeah, it's stretching that just keeps me. You need to stay limber so you can move, right? But that's pretty much my soapbox today. Let me see if there's any birthdays today. Check out Facebook. I can't think of anything else that I want to talk about. I'm just tired right now. A lot of stuff going on. I keep saying that. Let's see. Birthdays. Mike Donnellan. Happy birthday, Mike Donnellan. My buddy at Ask. We've had some times. Tonya Mazzone. That's actually cousin Tonya. I think she's still up north. Tonya, happy birthday. Eddie Dela Cruz. Eddie is a guy we used to work with in finance. That was awesome. Mike Funacilo is skateboarding friends. I think he used to own a skate shop in San Pedro, but he's still in my thing. Steffi Hands, awesome. Real estate agent, friend of Carrie's sisters, and yeah, that's awesome. Oh, Sharon was yesterday. Sharon, happy birthday. Awesome. There's so much stuff going on. It's hard to keep track of everything. And thank God for Facebook, because I wouldn't know. I would not know whose birthdays were today. I always forget my family's. Sorry, family. I always forget my family's birthdays, but it's funny with all this technology, we should be able to keep track of it, but it also introduces a lot of stuff, so crazy. What else do I talk about? Yeah, I'm just tired. I'm excited though because I really didn't have any hiccups changing over from desk to desk, moving all the stuff. And right now I feel pretty confident. I'm like, wow, I just have like everything's kind of set. I can just lift the desk and bring it down, and I have memory to where it's supposed to be, and it's there. It's kind of crazy. So yeah, I'm excited for this. It's pretty awesome. And the new computer is making, like right now, if you're watching the recording, before it was in 720 because I couldn't record fast enough. Now it's in 1080 and it's working fine. Also, if you listen to that, there is no fan noise. Before it was all fan. I think I was talking about this yesterday. And it's kind of eerily quiet in this corner right now because it was the fan. There's like my hard drive fans would go off, my computer fan would go off, and then I had another fan blowing to keep this laptop cool because it does not work. Like the Intel chips, when they get hot, man, they suck. And I'm just amazed because I've been, like right now, Ecamm's running and this takes a lot of stuff, but there's no noise and it's not, the computer's not even warm. Wow. I'm so excited for this. Woo! Apple Mac M1. If you guys like Mac or you're planning on getting a new computer, I don't care if it's a PC or anything right now, you can get mine cost, I got the 16 gigabyte version with the 1 terabyte hard drive, so it was $12.99. And then right now I just saw just the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 8 gigs and 256 hard drives and stuff like that. They're down to like $699 for a Mac, and that's the one we have in the shop, and it works fine. I got this because I heard like for editing and stuff like that you might want more RAM, so I got it. But wow, it's pretty amazing, and this is way faster. Last night I did, and I think I timed it. It was I did a 30-minute video at 1080. It would have taken me at least, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes to render on my old MacBook. This is a 2014 top of the line at that time, with another graphics card. It has 2 graphics cards in here. It's crazy, and this has its internal graphics card. It did it in, I timed it, I think it took like 3 minutes. I was shocked. I was like, did that just take 3 minutes? I didn't even know. I was like, wow. Because usually it would have taken at least 10 or 15. So that's more than halving my time. So it's like, yes. So awesome. More time to do other stuff. Crazy. But anyways, I think I talked about that yesterday, but I'm just amazed at it again today. And I'm happy with my purchases right now. This desk is amazing. This monitor that I'm watching on, it's a 4K monitor. I haven't had that yet, and wow, it's nice. It's very pretty to look at, and everything's set. Excited. And I think on this recording there's no hiccups. Before it was like stuttering, so I will check it afterwards and see on this recording how it is. You let me know. But yeah, it's good to have good stuff, especially if you're an editor. But that's my thing. I've been on already too long, but that's all I have for me today. So with that, keep on strumming every day. Keep on strumming ukulele.